Solve the following equation. X minus 1 to the 2/3 power plus x minus 1 to the 1/3 power minus 12 equals 0. So this is a situation where we technically have three terms, and it's very similar to a quadratic, but it's not exactly a quadratic. But if we make a quick substitution, so if we let u equal x minus 1 to the 1/3 power, then what that means, if I square both sides, is u squared is x minus 1 to the 1/3 squared, which you multiply those, and that becomes the 2/3 power. And that's really nice because I have this x minus 1 to the 2/3 power, which would become u squared. And then I have x minus 1 to the 1/3 power, which becomes u, and the minus 12. So with that quick substitution, that makes this problem a lot easier to look at. So now we have a problem that's a quadratic, and it should be able to factor. Let's see if that's possible. So if I take u times u, that would multiply to u squared, and 3 and 4 would multiply to 12. If the 4 is positive and the 3 is negative, they would also add up to positive 1. All right, so that means my solutions in u are u minus 3 equals 0, and u plus 4 equals 0. So that u equals 3 or u equals negative 4. But I can't stop there because the original equation was in terms of x, not u. So to finish this off, what I have to do then is go back to my substitutions and replace. So if u is x minus 1 to the 1/3, then I have x minus 1 to the 1/3 equals 3, and x minus 1 to the 1/3 equals negative 4. All right, to get rid of this 1/3 power, what I need to do is cube both sides of this equation. Because 3 times 1/3, the way you reduce those exponents, equals 1. And we're just left with x minus 1. 3 cubed is 27. When I cube both sides here, then I get x minus 1 equals negative 64. And lastly, I just need to add 1 to both sides here, so x equals 28. If I add 1 here, x equals negative 63.